Yeah, I take a cold hard look at the world now. Put my hand out, got a plan now. I'ma help you to dance cause I can now. Here I stand now, take my hand now. No pain, no gain, no shame. Work hard, play hard, okay, I think I get it now. Don't wanna let them down, I'ma take the ground and speak my mind out loud. Here I go, proud of my notes. Teach them what I wrote, teach them all the hope. Keep them on the road to the dream. All I need is a team, build your own self-esteem. You can do anything, do everything. Say what you mean and believe in your dream. Find that thing that you love, that you really wanna be. And don't give up till you've given absolutely everything.
Give me a chance now to prove that you're something. In your own head, all these thoughts are confronting. We've all been there when you feel like you're nothing. Shut that shit down, crush those thoughts and just trust me.
Round two, what's in your head now? Sometimes think you're better off dead now. Fuck that, yeah, you heard what I said now. Don't cop out, make a plan instead now. You got this one life here and now to feel the sun on your skin and to see the gas. There's nothing out there quite like living. Saying the simple things, watch a kid and you get it. It's no heaven, but a damn close second. Can always find someone new who has it much better, but can also find someone that has it much worse. Is the cup that full? Do you have that curse? Turn it all around, put your mind in reverse. When everything hurts, go listen to these words. Your life on this earth has so much worth. You just have to find the right state of mind that works. Yeah.
Give me a chance now to prove that you're something. In your own head, all these thoughts you're confronting. We've all been there when you feel like you're nothing. Shut that shit down, crush those thoughts and just trust me.
Break up with the life you made up. Live your life now. A life you don't doubt. I could give a fuck how. Just figure it out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream if it's what you deserve. It felt so right. We were so young. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay. We were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love. Couldn't stop us. Like a good drug. Drive it so far. Play your guitar. You'd show me more. Let down our guards. Think with our hearts. Stare at
Enemies ahead.
We were never apart. Drinking too young. Way too much fun. Out in the sun. No pain when it's gone.